guys, I'm Takoshiho. Today I am going to make sushi with this horse mackerel. This horse mackerel. We call this aji in Japan. Aji. Sushi is the food that we mostly eat out or take out even in Japan. But I've dreamed of making sushi at home for a long time, so I'm on self-training right now. On my previous video, I showed you how to cut this into 2 fillets for making sushi and other food. So please watch it if you are interested. This is my very first sushi making video, so let's start. Alright, so when you want to make sushi, you need neta, which is topping, and shari, which is vinegar rice, and wasabi or ginger or some kind of condiments, and vinegar water for moistening your hands. First, I need to prep neta, which is topping. I'm going to dehydrate this fillet with a bit of salt because this has too much water inside, so I will leave this about 5 minutes after put some salt. After 5 minutes, I will wash this in cold running water lightly and wipe excess water with a kitchen paper or some kind of cloth. Next, cutting into pieces, I use this Yanagiba knife, which is relatively long and single edge. It's great for cutting fresh fish. But normal knife would be no problem if you don't have this. Yeah. The point is, the way you use knife, you need to cut with 1 stroke, okay? And also, you don't want to touch too many times, okay? 1 stroke. Use the edge of the cutting board, it's easier. Alright, so you don't want to do like this, okay? And for horse mackerel, we usually put some cut on a piece because the topping needs to be round a bit for covering rice, so it's better to make a cut on each. Not to cut all the way down, okay? I got 4 pieces from this. Okay, done. Okay, next you need shari, which is vinegar rice. So I cooked rice, and just after you cook, it's still really warm. You put vinegar mixture with rice vinegar and salt and sugar and mix well, lightly. We often say mix like cutting with knife, like this. You need to cool them a bit. I use this uchiwa. So shari needs to be approximately the same temperature with body. I put cloth on it. Right, done. You also need tezu, which is water and vinegar, half and half, for moistening your hands. You will use this every time you make one. Vinegar and water. Extra. And the last things is condiments like wasabi or grated ginger and stuff. It depends what kind of neta you use. This time I use horse mackerel, which is a kind of silver fish. Those type of neta go well with ginger, so I don't use wasabi this time. This is fresh ginger. I will peel the skins and grate them. I really love this grater. It's a shape of fish. It's lovely. Right. Okay, it's all set. As you see, making sushi is all about preparation. So finally, let's make sushi. Put some tezu on your hands. Some people clap their hands to get rid of excess water, but I just grab a clean cloth gently, like this. There are many ways to make sushi, but I have followed this way. Grab one piece of neta and make a bowl with your right hand if you are right-handed, and put this on rice. And this is the way I do. And I put ginger on it. Yeah. One more time. Put some tezu on your hands. Here we go. Beautiful. Hope you liked this video. It was my very first sushi making video, so it was memorable. I will try to be more professional, so if you want to make sushi in your country, it might be good to learn how to be better with me. Video, I will make fisherman's dish. On my YouTube channel, I upload Japanese recipes, seafood available in Japan like this, and Japanese vegetarian meals and stuff. So please subscribe my channel.